Bitski Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Bitski Wallet app is changing how people interact with WoW, but not in the way you might expect. It's not your typical crypto wallet. In fact, the surprising truth is that Bitski is designed to make blockchain simple for everyone, even if you've never owned crypto before. Let's start with the pros. Bitski is all about accessibility. Instead of complicated seed phrases or private key management, it uses a secure, cloud-based login system, meaning you can access your wallet with just your email and password. For newcomers, this eliminates the fear of losing keys and funds forever. It's also developer-friendly. Bitski is integrated into many NFT platforms and Web applications, allowing users to buy, sell and manage NFTs across Ethereum-based marketplaces with ease. It supports credit card payments too, meaning you can buy NFTs without needing crypto in advance. Another major advantage is its cross-platform experience. Whether you're on mobile, desktop or gaming consoles, Bitski keeps your wallet connected across devices. This approach has made it a favorite among artists and NFT collectors who want an effortless experience without dealing with blockchain complexity. However, the cons depend on what kind of user you are. For crypto purists, Bitski's cloud-based custody model may be a red flag. Because Bitski manages key storage on your behalf, you don't have full control of your private keys. That means you must trust the company's security infrastructure, something hardcore decentralization fans usually avoid. Additionally, Bitski currently supports limited blockchains, primarily focusing on Ethereum. If you deal with Bitcoin, Solana or other networks, this might not meet your needs. In summary, the Bitski Wallet app is a bridge between convenience and would-be innovation. It's perfect for beginners, NFT creators and brands entering crypto for the first time. But if you value total control and decentralization, you may prefer a more traditional wallet. The bottom line: Bitski makes crypto simple, maybe a little too simple for the hardcore crowd.